What tools and supplies are necessary for these classes and to pursue fashion designing? We need certain tools and supplies. Here's a short video that will show you what you need. These tools and supplies are available on my Amazon store, and here's the link and here's the video. So we'll start with scissors, and there's two kinds of scissors. This one is used to cut paper. When I say paper, there's two kinds of paper. There's manila paper, which is, it's not really cardboard, but it's sort of a stock paper. And then there's also dotted paper, sort of more of a lightweight dotted paper. So if you were cutting paper, you would use these scissors. Otherwise, just a regular, normal pair of scissors for fabric. In this course, we'll use a fabric called muslin to drape patterns. You will need a pencil, very sharp pencil, and a ruler, an 18-inch clear. This bends, you can see it, it's flexible, 2-inch by 18-inch clear ruler. You will need pins. These are regular pins, not safety pins. These are straight pins, okay? You will need a French curve. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna hold it against a darker background. This is a French curve. Okay, it has a certain shape to it. See that? You will need a hip curve. It has a certain shape. This is a hip curve. You will need a tracing wheel. Tracing wheel. There's different variations, but they're all pretty much the same. There's a little wheel that turns with little teeth at the end. You will need an awl, A-W-L, spelled A-W-L. It's got a little point, it's very sharp. It makes something called a drill hole. It's a little tiny hole in certain specific parts in the pattern. A notcher. This is a notcher, and it makes, you can hear the clicking, it makes notches. Scotch tape, good old scotch tape, and stapler. And along with stapler is a staple remover to remove staples, okay? If you want to purchase a really great textbook, I highly recommend this textbook. The cover of this textbook that you just saw in the video has changed. The textbook is the same, it's a great textbook, but the cover is different. I did forget one item that is necessary, a tape measure.